ka Business Advisory Committee lane ka BSc jong ka yang Dorbar Thaw Aiñ Ka Jylla Meghalaya kalamanjur da ka wei kasur ya ka Porban Pynlong ya ka Dorbar Pelang jong snam arajar arpsan ka ban sedang nadu ka pratare ko nailur hadu ka khadar tarik hakane ka jingilang bala penyaj daw lampang ka yang Dorbar Thaw Aiñ ba Thomas sangma haka jingdon lang u Deputy Chief Minister ba President Tensong unang yalam kalyang persya u Dr. Mukul sangma lengba da ka video conference bat kidikhat u ba Charles Pengrup bat u ba ala kemen remboy lambat kiwe de haka jingilang ka ba en penyaj sansngi kanthi ka badan laisngi ki jong ki kam ka sarkar bat arsngi ki jong ki kam jong kidikhat shimet ulampang u Thomas sama ulaong bakarai ban sedang hakasngi nangkong kadai kabala shim da kaba perkhat ya ki agenda jong ka sarkar kabala khamjam jong mentau snam ula kadau bala yo ka jingkershan kabala ya menjur lang na baro ki dekhat kentup ya kalyang persya ro kumju
had a BSc meeting, Business Advisory Committee meeting, to chalk out the calendar for the coming autumn session, and the meeting went very well. It was attended by all the members, though one of the members, the leader of the opposition, Dr. Mukul Sangma, took part in the meeting online from virtual meeting. He joined from Tura DC's office. The BSc meeting had already unanimously approved the calendar for the autumn session, which will commence from 8 September and end on 12 September, which is a 5 days session starting from Monday, 8 September, and finishing on 12 September, which is Friday. So we have 3 government business, 3 days government business and 2 days private members business.
So why this deviation from Monday to Friday rather than Friday to other days?
It is not like that. It is not mandatory to have Friday, start from Friday to Friday. But this was what the committee had decided, which last year's also, if you look at last year's calendar, the autumn session, it was also 5 days. Though it started from Friday and ended on the next Friday, but in between there was Janmashtami holiday. So there was also 5 working days. So we decided that this time also, since we were told that there will be less of government businesses, especially SDs, and demand for grants will be not much. So it was agreed upon by the committee to have 5 days of 5 working days of this assembly session.
So the opposition is happy with the number of days and hours, because usually when it comes to assembly, always concerns are raised.
Yes, yeah, he agreed. We all agreed unanimously. There was no dissentment from any one of the members.